Given y equal minus x squared plus 4x minus 3. And the vertex is given as 2 and 1. That is, s is 2, y is 1. Then you have the y-intercepts, 0 and minus 3. Then you have the s-intercept, meaning when you solve this equation, you have s to be 1, y to be 3. Then they say find the vertical reflection about the s-axis. That is what I'm looking for. Vertical reflection about the s-axis simply means you multiply your y by minus. And since y is all this, then the minus multiply each and every one of the terms in the equation. So our new equation will now be x squared minus times minus give us plus, minus times plus give us minus 4x, minus times minus give us plus 3. That's our new equation. So we need to find the new values. Our new values now, v, new values. So don't forget, so the values we're talking about now is going to affect the y-axis. It's vertical reflection. Vertical is about the y-axis, not the x-axis. To affect this one, you reflect your 1. And to reflect 1, you have minus 1. When you multiply y by minus. So you're going to have our s will remain the same thing, y become minus 1 when you reflect it. So the y-intercepts. So y-intercepts, see the s is 0. They put s to be 0 here to get your y. So y-intercept now, if s is 0, then 0 will be here, your y is 3. So instead of 0 minus 3, your new intercept is 0 and 3. When s is 0 to this function, then the y is 3. Then the s-intercepts means that we are going to solve the quadratic equation. So let's just put our answer here. X squared minus 4x plus 3, our new function. Our new values is 2 and minus 1. And our new y-intercept is 0 and 3. So let's solve this equation to get our new x-intercepts. Then we factorize it. We multiply the first 3 and 3x will give us 3x squared, which is 3x and x that we'll be using to solve the problem. It's going to be x squared minus 3x, the minus is here, minus x plus 3. Then doing that, you have s common, s minus 3. So you have minus 1 common, s minus 3. So when you solve this problem now, you're going to have s equal to 3 and y equal to 1, which is the same thing as what you have here. So it means that the s-intercept remain the same thing. Your s-intercept remain the same thing, which will now give us 1, 0, and then 3 and 0. That is our s-intercept. So the question has been transformed from here to here. Follow up means you continue from here, not from here again. These are the things you have now. Your equation is x squared minus 4x plus 3, no longer this again. And the values is now 2 and minus 1, no longer this again. The y-intercept is now 0 and 3, no longer this again. This is the s-intercept that remain the same thing. So follow up. So we start from here. Then let's do for B now. B says we should follow up by a horizontal shift to the right by 3 units. Horizontal shift, so to the right by 3 units. On the function x squared minus 4x plus 3 means that you're replacing x with x minus 3. Horizontal shift to the right. That is, you replace x with x minus 3. Replace your x with x minus 3 in this function. So you now have x minus 3 square minus 4 into x minus 3, then plus 3 equal 0. So we want to get our new function now. Expanding this one, you have x minus 3 into x minus 3, minus 4 into s minus 3, then plus 4 equal to 0. So let's open the bracket now. We have s times s equals x squared here, minus 3x minus 3x. Minus times minus give us plus 9, minus 4x plus 12 plus 3, then equal to 0. So compiling the result together now. When you compile together, you can have x squared. Minus 3s give us minus 6s. Minus 4s give us minus 10s. Then 9 plus 12 plus 3 give us 24. So we have a new equation. It means our new function now, no longer x squared minus 4s plus 3. So we have it to be x squared minus 10x plus 24. That is what we have. Then from there, we can now find the values using this. Find the y-intercept using this, not this again. Find the x-intercept using this, not this again. So let's go for that one now. Horizontal shifts to the right by 3 units. On the function, you say you replace s with s minus 3. But for the values now, horizontal shifts, we're talking about the x-axis. It means you are adding 3 to these 2. Your new values will now be 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Then your y will remain the same thing. It is the horizontal that is shifted by 3. So you now have it to be 5 and minus 1. This is your new values now. Your new y-intercepts. The y-intercepts, you just s is 0. Put s to be 0 in this your function. Then you have your new intercept, s is 0, here will be 0, here will be 0, then you have y to be 24. That's your new intercept. Then your new y-intercept is 0 and 24. Since s is 0, substitute for here, whatever is left is your y, 0 and 24. Then the s-intercept simply means you have to solve this your latest equation. And the latest equation here is x squared minus 10x plus 24. So let's factorize it. So we're going to have 24x squared. The two number that would give us minus 10 and 24 should be 4 and 6. X. Then you're going to put minus and minus to get minus 10. Then do your job. X squared minus 4x minus 6x plus 24 equal 0. Then x is common. If x is common, you can look for the common factor. S minus 4 will be here. The minus 6 is common. You have x, 6 in 24 minus 4 equal to 0. So you have x minus 6 into s minus 4. So solving them one by one, you're going to have s equal to 6 or x equal to 4. So it means that your new x-intercept now, the new x-intercept now that we are looking for from this equation will now be new x-intercept now will now be, our s is 6. So we're going to take 6 instead of 1. Y is 0. Then our x is 4. We're going to take 4 instead of 3. Y is 0. So 6 and 4. That is how it goes. Don't tell me that the video is not good. Not good.